Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how to dig up treasure in Windrose. Now first thing that you're going to need is of course a shovel. You can make this inside the workbench and it needs 3 pieces of copper and 10 pieces of wood. Over on the discovery tab on your journal, you will unlock the recipe of the shovel once you've unlocked copper ingots. You can find these inside caves in the coastal jungles or the first region of the map. Now for this example, I'm going to be digging up treasure that is connected to the Blackbeard treasure chest questline. You can find these scraps of treasure map inside small Blackbeard camps to the bigger ones that you can find on the higher level areas of the game. You just have to find them inside chests. Now following the mark's location, you need to look out for these mounds right here where there's no vegetation around it. Equip your shovel and then go to dig mode by pressing down X. And you'll find the chest after 2 digs and loot what's inside. Now when you're starting out the game, you should have also discovered this traveler's camp. And once you get to this area, you're most likely going to find this decrepit chest right here. And when opening this, you can find some loot inside. Most likely, the traveler's camp will say 1 out of 2 and you can't really find the second chest. Well, thankfully, inside this decrepit chest, there's more than likely going to be a journal inside. If I check over to my adventure right here and over to the library, you can find these traveler's notes. This is the first note that I find in this exact tent right here. And on the bottom of this note, you will be able to see here on the final sentence, I'll bury the excess gear nearby beneath the tree marked with a red rag. So around this area of where you found the tent and this decrepit chest, you need to look for a dead tree with a red rag. For example, like this one right here. This is pretty much a dead tree, and over there, right next to the top of it, there is a red rag hanging onto it. And around this tree should be where the chest is, as you can see right over here. Now I pretty much already looted this, so you can't really show you any loot that I got from it. And that's pretty much about it on how to dig up treasure in Windrose.